If you are a beginner and you're just starting your journey into the gym, I am so glad you're here because I'm going to share with you a few things that I regret doing when I first started working out, and I don't want you to make the same mistake. So let's go ahead and jump right in the video so you don't look like this. Is this where the sauna is? My friend told me to meet him here at 4. I don't even know if this is the right place. Well, guess I'll just skip my workout. Now, the first common mistake that I made when I first started, and you might make too, is not having a game plan when you go into the gym. Unfortunately, a lot of people go around in the gym and just aimlessly do an exercise they saw on TikTok, they do something they saw on YouTube, they just pop around on the machines. It's not a very balanced plan, and this is actually killing your efforts in the gym. Because when you're in the gym, you only have a finite amount of time that you're actually going to spend there. So if you just don't have a plan, you're ultimately going to be wasting a lot of time that you could be doing on specific exercises to get you the most bang for your buck. Make sure you go in with a plan to improve your overall workout and increase the efficiency for your time. The next fatal mistake that I see a lot of beginners doing when they first start getting into the workout is expecting results overnight. Like with most things in life that are good, you need to be putting in consistent work over time. This is what's going to lead you to getting bigger, stronger, faster, all those different reasons we go to the gym. You need to be consistent. Please do not check your weight every single night and say, oh my gosh, I haven't lost any weight. This is useless. I shouldn't even be doing this. The best things, especially with fitness, need to take time. So go in it with a perspective that this may take a few months, this may take a few years, because that's exactly how long it is, not only to get the results, but to keep them. If you're liking the video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on improving your overall workouts, navigating the gym as a beginner who doesn't really know what they're doing in the gym right now, but you will. So we still have 3 more things that I regret when I first started that you might be doing and will regret too. So let's go ahead and finish those. Make sure to stay until the end of the video because it is my favorite regret that you don't want to miss out. Number 3, you need to quit comparing yourself to others in the gym. When a lot of us go to the gym, we see these really muscular people, we see people lifting huge weights over heads. We might become a little self-conscious, especially if we're trying to lose weight. But unfortunately, this does not lead to good results for you. You need to be focusing on why you're in the gym and doing stuff that you enjoy in the gym and you know how to do. If you don't know how to do crazy weights where you're lifting out overhead, simply don't do them. Just do something that makes you feel good, helps you achieve your goals, and don't compare yourself to others because they are there to work on themselves, so you should be too. Number 4 that I really regret doing is expecting crazy results from some magic program. There's so many things you see online from all these different people doing these really crazy exercises, as we mentioned in the last one, but a lot of these people have been doing this for years. You need to be doing a specific plan for beginners or individuals who just don't really know quite what the ropes are for the gym, right? Don't focus on what other people are doing. Don't do a super big, huge body part split, feel completely smashed, and then think, I can never do this again. Your workout should be designed for a beginner. It should be at a level specifically for you. And if you're interested, we do have a low impact exercise program down below that's great for beginners. You can try that for yourself. Otherwise, there's a lot of great beginner workouts online. Just make sure you're not getting it from a source that might be a little biased. And this is challenging, but do some research, you can do it. All right, so number 5, and by far one of the most important things that I need to tell you that you probably will regret doing, I know I did when I first started, and that's simply doing exercises that I hated. And this might sound counterintuitive because people are thinking, why would I do an exercise that I hate? I hate doing it. But people will see something, they will see people getting results from that specific exercise and think, I need to do that exercise to get results. I need to go out for a run to lose weight, or I need to lift in a certain way to gain muscle. This simply isn't the case. If you are doing something, literally anything physically active, it's going to improve your body, it's going to make you healthier or stronger, just generally better overall. Do something you enjoy. And as we mentioned in the previous tip, we're not expecting overnight results, and having something that we can do and enjoy consistently for a long term is a great way to do something for 6 months, a year, the rest of your life. This is the only way you will have long-term lasting progress for fitness. I've been lifting for literally 10 to 12 years now, and I expect to for the rest of my life. And this is how you need to look at it if you're a beginner. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're a beginner and you're starting your workout journey. We are going to give you a lot of good tips, a lot of good information on how you can navigate the gym, doing all those different things. So I thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're interested, make sure to check out the next video from my channel that YouTube's going to recommend for you. To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.